Let's see oh, look at those awesome books. Okay, I want to see the bug book, the inside of it, real quick. Turn the page a little bit more, showing the tracks. Look how beautiful the colors are. And it tells a little story along the way. And you get to find different things. All right, let's see yours, Garrett. All right. How nice that is. Did you learn anything from this book yet, Garrett?
No, I haven't looked at it much.
No, we just got it, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
All right, awesome. Would you like something like this for Christmas?
Sure.
Sure?
Yeah.
You think Willem would like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Hi, how are you? Welcome to our video about the Wind Up and Busy Bug books. Garrett, can you tell us how many tracks are in the Wind Up book?
3.
All right, and do you want to open it up and let us take a look?
This is the one that shows you the distances from the greatest city.
All right. All right, and then in between the pages of the tracks, it tells all about the plane and airport and about taking off, riding on the plane, and what all goes on to get the plane in the air. And then, so Garrett, if you want to start winding up your plane and putting it on the track. Willem, how many tracks does your book have?
4.
4. And yours is called the Busy what?
Busy Ladybug.
Busy Ladybug book. Can you get it on the track for us? Oh, let's not put it on our mouth, though. Alright. You gotta get it on the track, dude. Go get it.
There mine goes.
Nice.
Needs a little help.
These are really great for fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, especially for winding up the airplane. And with the Wind Up series, we have a tractor, train, airplane, pirate. I feel like I'm missing one other one. And then with the Busy Bugs, or the Busy Books, we have a bug, a train, a car, a helicopter. And these are just really great for entertaining. Do you want me to wind that up again so we can see how fast it goes?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Willem, find your bug and bring it over here real quick.
It's running away from me.
All right, Garrett, come here. Right now, hold it right. See, look, see how my finger's right there? Hold it just like that and then put it on the track.
My pet ladybug is in here.
Okay. All right, let's get her back on the track. All right, go around the other side, Willem, so everybody can see. There it goes, Garrett. Willem, pull it back and make it go. You gotta get it on the track.
Goodbye.
Alright. We'll show you the ladybug another time. Unless Willem wants to show it real quick. Do you want me to do it? There you go. Awesome, but you put it on at the wrong place, so it's just going all over the place. Alright, thanks. Hope you enjoyed our video. And Garrett, how old are you?
7.
And Willem, how old are you?
4.
Alright, thanks.